Welcome to our channel. If this is your first time to the channel, we want to extend you a warm welcome. If you have been here before but you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. We are going to tackle some body work in our 2002 Jetta that has some rust spots in a couple of places. Now we don't know if these are just superficial, that would be very easy to fix, or the metal has been corroded away completely, and that would be a little more challenging. So we're going to show you how to test for that and how to repair it. If it needs more body work than just converting the rust to metal, then we're going to have a second episode to show you how to do that. So we're going to see what we're going to find. So the first step was, of course, we can see that there is rust here. And we see there is more rust than we thought.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll need Bondo. White rust is full of earth. So we're going to clean that. Okay, you can stop. So we'll try to empty this. This is just earth, as you can see, which is probably what happened is that it went behind this flap and it prevented the water from emptying. There are holes here that are designed to make the water escape. And you want to get to healthy metal. I didn't realize there was all that there. Did you?
Nope.
Holy crap. There's a small garden here. Does it end?
No. There's still more in there.
Is there? So we're not going to be able to complete the repair today. This is ridiculous. I would have never guessed there was so much in here. So what I did first was to press it and see if we were lucky it was just a superficial spot on the...
That one might be.
Huh?
There's one there that might be a little more superficial.
Yeah. So what we're going to do now, we're not going to finish it today, we're going to show you how to finish it next week. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking all the damaged... You got to be kidding me! Oh my god!
Oh, you have a whole tree up in there.
Now this is solid, so... We're going to get probably a little bit of... What the heck is happening here? Are you kidding me?
It must be coming from the top, though.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to have a whip hole here.
A drain hole?
Yeah. Is it there?
Okay.
But clearly this could not drain.
No.
I think we got it actually. Right? What do you think?
Well, I hope we did.
So what we're going to do now, we're going to spray it with what do you call it?
Rust-Oleum.
Rust-Oleum, not the paint, but the thing that transforms the rust back to metal. And then next time we'll show you how to use, I was thinking to use Bondo, but this is too much damage for Bondo, you know.
Then what you gonna use?
Probably fiberglass. Can you see any more inside there? I don't.
Yeah, it just keeps coming.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You want to show? How much?
I have several times.
Okay.
That's quite the pile of stuff that's come out of that little spot.
Yes.
You might need to get the vacuum
For what? For this?
to get the rest of it out of there. There's still more.
I was thinking to get the air pressure.
I suppose, but I'm gonna back up if you do that.
I don't have any nozzle that's small enough for this. Okay folks, we'll finish cleaning it and we'll be right back with you. So this is not Rust-Oleum brand paint, it is a rust reformer, which means that it takes rust and makes it back into metal. And for something like that, this is what you need. You do not need just paint. I was hoping we'll be just lucky and we won't have to feel anything, but you know. Let's see if the other spot is better for us.
Okay,
Where is the other spot?
it's there. It's kind of bubbly in the middle there.
That bubble?
I don't even see that it's done anything.
You don't?
What?
You don't see any difference?
Well, yeah, there's a stripy thing there.
What do you mean?
A stripe where you've been sanding.
And this we will just hit with some Rust-Oleum remover because looks better.
Yep. There.
You ready?
Yep.
For now we're just going to cover this hole. This is a temporary holding place. The Rust-Oleum fixer has dried. And then I will put one there too.
Okay.
And we're doing that to prevent more water, because it will probably take us a week until we get back to it, to prevent water from getting there and making a mess, right? Maybe you should have done this. What I'm using here is Gorilla Glue. Again, this is not the fix.
Gorilla tape.
Gorilla Tape. And again, this is not the fix. This is just to prevent water, because we're expecting thunderstorms the next 2 days, from penetrating again this area. Here's the screwdriver. So how does it look? So this, even though this is temporary, I want it to look okay, at least from a distance. This again is not a permanent fix, the Gorilla Tape, but it will provide protection from water intrusion and also intrusion of more leaves than anything else. In about a week we're going to remove the tape, and we're going to use, in this case, probably fiberglass and repaint this area. But our other spot is pretty much done. And so we got like in one place it was very superficial, and I'm very surprised that here it was so deep. So as you can see, in the two spots we had on this side, one was an easy fix, it was a superficial rust spot, and the other clearly was not. I cannot believe how much debris came out of there, which shows you the importance of cleaning the area that goes here in your cars, in front of the, on the hood, where the hood meets the windshield. So next week we'll show you how to repair the body damage. For now, I will check how long it takes for the Rust-Oleum to dry, so I can put something over it so it doesn't drive around with a hole. So I hope you enjoyed today's short episode, and if you did, please smash that like button. The other button works as well if you didn't like it. Share, subscribe, and comment below so we can continue generating great videos for you.